Good morning, children. Today we have the class for 8th, and already we have learned about the tenses and sentences and kinds of sentences. Okay. So, common nouns, proper nouns, collective nouns. So, here we just going to learn about the quantifier pronouns. Quantifier pronouns. So, do you know about the quantifier pronouns? Okay, it's just we have some pronouns denote the quantity or amount. Quantifiers are quantifier pronouns. We have this quantifier pronouns, just have the definition. Quantifiers are words Quantifiers are words which we use or which denote quantity or amount. Quantity or amount. So they are used in place of a noun. So they are pronouns. They use the place of a noun. Already you know about the noun. So they called as the pronouns. So they are used for the non-personal reference. Non-personal reference. Example, see, just we have so many quantifier pronouns we have. The first one already I just introduced that anything. Anything, this is we call as a quantifier pronouns. Anything, everything, anything, everything, nothing, something. Anything, everything, nothing and something. These are the very important quantifier pronouns. So, here we just learned about the first quantifier pronoun, that is anything. It means one thing. Okay? Just is related to the about in one thing, any kinds. One thing about any kinds. Kuch or kuch bhi. It's used usually to the negative sentences. The anything quantifier pronouns usually we use for the negative pronouns. So, here I just give an example. It was so dark. It was so dark that I couldn't see. I couldn't see anything at all. See, here I just used a negative sentence, that is couldn't. So, in a sentence wherever we just use anything, it's just related to the negative sentence. For the negative sentences, we just use the quantifier pronoun, that is anything. It was so dark that I couldn't see anything at all. Did you understand now? Again, one more example. There is there isn't anything interesting in the newspaper today. Anything interesting in the newspaper today. So here we just use the negative sentence of the sentence. There isn't anything interesting in the newspaper today. So here we just use the quantifier pronouns with the negative sentence. Negative sentence. Okay. So the always we used anything, that is the quantified pronouns, always we used with the, usually we used with the negative sentences. Usually we use the anything, quantifier pronouns, anything we usually use with the negative sentence. Again, one more thing. This again we used for in usually in questions. We used for usually in question. For making question also we just add the quantifier pronouns anything. Example, is there anything good in this book? Is there anything good in this book? Is there anything good in this book? So we just asked a question with the help of a quantifier pronouns, that is anything. Did you find anything important in that room? Did you find anything in that room? So here we use the quantifier pronouns, the first one anything, just we used for the negative sentences and we used for the making question. Okay, so here we just learn about the only one pronoun, quantifier pronoun, that is anything. So the next one I just introduced you that second quantifier pronouns is, what was that? I just now written in the board. Did you remember? Are you remember this? The second one was that everything. Good. The second one was everything. So where we make the everything and how to make this quantifier pronoun with the sentence. Everything, it means each thing. Everything, it just concludes all things what we have and it's each thing. Okay? So everything is very expensive in this shop. One example, everything is very expensive in this shop. He helped her with everything she wanted. He helped her with everything she wanted. For this we just make a declarative or assertive or imperative any sentence. Thing she wanted. Okay then. So everything just we include the all things. We can leave everything else until tomorrow. The most important thing that it's a very related to everything what we have in our hand and others and such and all kinds of things. So children, today just we learn about the two quantifier pronouns, that is anything and everything. So read it and by heart it and wait for the next class. Bye for today.